Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Legion 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. In today's video, we are tackling a common issue where users find that their Lenovo Legion 5 won't turn on at all. This problem can stem from various reasons, such as a faulty battery, power supply issues, or motherboard failures. If left unchecked, it could lead to further damage, making repairs more complicated and expensive. To get started, you'll need a few essential tools for this repair: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement battery or power supply, depending on what we find during our diagnosis. First, let's ensure we open the device safely. Begin by turning the laptop upside down and removing all screws using your Phillips screwdriver. Keep track of the screws as they can vary in size. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back cover. Be cautious as there are clips that might snap if too much force is applied. Now that we have access to the internals, we need to identify the faulty component. Start by checking the battery connection. If the battery appears swollen or damaged, it will need to be replaced. To locate it, follow the wires from the power connector to the battery. Disconnect the battery by gently pulling on the connector. If you suspect the power supply is the issue, check the power jack for any signs of damage. At this point, if you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. If the battery is indeed faulty, take your replacement battery and connect it to the same port, ensuring it's secured in place. Make sure to also check for any loose connections or debris that might interfere with the power supply. Once everything is connected, it's time to close up the device. Carefully align the back cover and press down until all clips are secured and the screws are back in place. Now, power on your Lenovo Legion 5 to check if it functions properly. If it turns on, congratulations! You've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure that you regularly check your device's battery health and avoid overcharging it. Keeping your laptop in a cool, dry place will also help prolong its life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.